Good morning, everyone. So today I was debating on how to do this. A friend of ours here on the channel, Mayra, I think she goes by the Mad Scrapper, she had let me know she found pretty much all of the things that the new items at Dollar Tree was selling that have to do with like dyes and these other things that I have not seen at my local Dollar Tree. I don't go super often, but I go often enough that they haven't had them, you know. So she was really kind. She said she found the mother lode, she says. So she sent a set for me and a set to give away, which is really, really kind. So thank you so much, Mayra. So I have that box here. I was just thinking about how I want to do the giveaway. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and go through what she sent and then do a giveaway here. So I also picked up some things recently at the Dollar Tree, so I'll pull those things out in just a minute, and then we'll just put it all together, and that will be the giveaway. And my giveaways are really simple. Pretty much just say enter me, thumbs up the video or like the video, and be a subscriber to the channel. You have to be 18 years of age and older, and I'm going to keep this one US only. I'm sorry just for now because I don't really know what all is in here, and I hope that just makes sense to you guys. I'm sorry. I usually just leave it international, but for this time around, just here and in the US, and I will get started. So let me, her box, I just opened it up because obviously my address is on the outside, but it has a card and it says for you and for giveaway. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me bring this out here. And then she has a bag that says you decide. That's so sweet. Okay. So, that is so kind. Oh my gosh. I'm just looking through the you decide bag because I think what we can do is maybe have split up the giveaway in two. I don't know. Maybe two prizes. Let's say there'll be two prizes, and then I'll try and create. That's the problem in my mind. I'm like, I don't know how to do the two things, but let's just go through this, and then I'll decide how we should break it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the bag. This says for you. Oh my gosh, so cute. So they have some on the edge dies. It looks like, and this one just makes like little edge or border flowers, but you can also use little flowers for like shakers and stuff. That's really cute. Of course, you are gonna take them apart. That's what happens with a lot of the dies that people put out there now. And this one has like a kind of like raggedy edge, but like a zipper looking. Oh, look at this one. Looks like a little rainbow edge. It's like a lace, but it reminds me of rainbows. A nice little like swoop, and then the little scalloped edge, and the little flowers on the edge. That is so cool. Yeah, no, mine does not have anything like this. Like that on the back, they show you, examples. Look at that. So cute. Stamps. Aww. Little llamas. That's a really, really adorable set. Of course, they are acrylic, I would assume. Let me open this really quickly. Yeah, they're acrylic. Maybe I'll try one of these out just so you can have an idea of how they cut, but there's that. Little stickers that are adorable. They're like enamel, but they're like glitter. So they look like enamel dots, but glittery, which is really cool because I was thinking I need to get some enamel dots. A lot of people use those, and I don't think I have any. Really cool paper. I was gonna say this looks like it's from Daiso. This looks familiar, so thank you so much for the holographic papers. Again, you can use these with your dies or just your origami, which the kids like to do, and they're showing some examples back here. And there's some glitter. I was gonna say, is this sticker? Yeah, it's so awesome. Okay, I haven't seen that. So once you cut it, it already has the stickiness on the back of it. I realized that when I saw this one, I thought, that's like a sticker. And then this one's glitter. So cool. Thank you so much. And then some little rhinestone type things. Again, I've seen little like stones at the Dollar Tree, but not like this one's. These? Like these. There we go. Thank you so much, Mayra. Let me put this to the side. Again, like I said, I'll try and cut one of these in just a minute. And then she says for giveaway. Oh, maybe I should have read the letter. Hold on real quick. Oh, look at that. And she made her own envelope. Hope you can see because it's like a long card. Oh, wow, Mayra. So pretty. Let me look at the inside just to see if it's something. So sweet. She and her husband watch videos all the time. And what I can see right here, this is the Designer's Choice from Tonic. I believe it might have sold out, but it's the one from last month. The basket. And how cute. Like, it just looks so pretty. And she made a slimline card out of it instead of, you know, like the basket. That's really, really cool. Love it. Thank you so much, Mayra, for that sweet note there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you the giveaway items, and then I will kind of think about how we want to do this, okay? Sorry that it's a little bit odd because I didn't know what to expect. So we have the edge dies that I just showed you there. So cute. Oh, a little Hero Arts greeting set. I love this. And these definitely look like photopolymer, and I just love everything about the handmade by, stand by. So these are really sweet to use on your cards when you're creating them. A little Bo Bunny set. Cute little sentiments that you can just build around your card. So adorable. The Fiskars all around quotes. So cute. Thank you, Mayra. This is so sweet. Some other Fiskars set that has more like sentiments, a little background. A little Bo Bunny set with more of the sentiments. These are really sweet. I like the block lettering of that. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. You can do it. Never give up. We have some thin Litz dies. Again, sentiments are always really great to have because you just cut it out, pop it on your card, and you're done, basically, as far as that. These are so cute. 3D foam hearts from Scrapbook Adhesives. Look at that. So they're just your foam, but they're cute because they're heart shape. And then photo corners. I was working on that scrapbook I picked up, or that Artisa had sent for review, and I'm like, oh, I need to find my photo corners. So I have tons of them, but I just don't know where they are, so I will find them. We have 3D foam butterflies. Add glitter, flocking, and more for a fun effect if you don't want to just use it as, you know, dimensional. We have the little tree, which I do have myself, and then some of the rhinestones here. So cute. And then she has a set that, again, is called You Decide. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to take a pause and get the things that I picked up at the dollar store that I wanted to give away. And then I'll say which, I'll group it out, basically. So I'll be right back. I think this was everything. I know I had seen a couple things on 2 different trips that I had made to the Dollar Tree. So, like, it's kind of random, but some of the things I picked up, they have a pop dot tape now, and which is really cool because a lot of times people ask me where I get my foam adhesive. I know it's a little bit thinner, which is fine because it gives you a little bit of lift, but if you really want like a big, you know, height to your like shaker, then you can just double it up, and it does come in 3 different sizes. So I thought it was really cool, so I grabbed that for you guys. Some fasteners, which we love. I love having these because they're inexpensive. There's tons of them in here. There's 20 pairs, and you can put them on whatever cards or little projects you make, and it just finishes off a project if you want like a little flap or a lid or however. So I had to grab that. This one has the piercing and scoring tool set, which I thought was really cute. So there's that. I do look at it in the scorer. I wouldn't use it as a bone folder because, as you can see, it's kind of rough cut. It's $1 to you guys, but you can score with it. And then on the other side it has the piercing things, which I use pretty much all the time. Mayra had sent these along with the, you know, You Decide. So I have the pink ones here. This really cute Happy Birthday to You sentiment with the little flowers, looks like it comes with. So I put those on that side. Oh, along with some magnetic buttons that they also started carrying at my Dollar Tree. I don't know if, I hadn't seen them, so there might be something that they've been carrying, but just not mine. Local ones. And then the little craft clamps. Again, if you're gluing things, you can use these just to hold it for you or however you need. Sometimes I do like friendship bracelet things where I need at the beginning to clamp it to something, and so that's always fun to have. So on this side I did the same thing basically. Put in the styluses or whatever it is. I'm sorry, the scoring tools. This is the stylus and embossing stylus, so, which is cool. I can use the kind of thing, obviously you can use a scoring tool, but I also use for nail art, so like you can do little flowers and stuff, so I thought that was cute. They have those now. And I included magnetic buttons on that side too, the foam tape too. And then this, I was like, that is actually pretty cool, because this looks like any pencil and brush organizer you might see like at an art store. It even has that same material feel, so pretty cool. So I grabbed one for myself and I grabbed one to give away, so I only have the one for this side. So for the giveaway, number 1 is this one here with the brush organizer and rhinestone foam adhesive. I try to split everything up like evenly. So this is prize package number 1. So what I like to do when people do giveaway, when I do giveaways and there's 2 packages, I usually say, okay, the first one I draw gets the number 1, and then number 2 These are very evenly done, so I'm just showing you what's in number 1. Again, I'll just draw the first name gets number 1 and the second name gets number 2 price package, okay? You don't have to choose. This stamp set, 2 of the edge dies because there were 3, so I had to split it up in a certain way. The sentiment set there, some beautiful blue rhinestones, an Elizabeth Craft Design stamp set, and then these items. So that's package number 1. And package number 2 is pretty much the same things. I try to split it up again evenly. We have this gem stickers. We have the dot and drop tree, foam adhesive, the corners, the Bow Bunny set, the Fisker set, the little edge dies, the happy birthday, and then everything else that I went through. So that's number 2, okay? All right, let me put these to the side. So again, there's gonna be 2 prizes. You can just enter, you can say enter me, and then I'll use random.org. I don't know the date today, but it's in the 20s. So let's say we will close this. Let's do it kind of quickly. Let's close this on the 25th. And I'll draw the 2 names on the 26th using random.org. Okay, 1 entry per person. Again, all the rules will be at the end of the video. And I'm going to try out some of the dies just so we can try them and see how they work. You know, I just realized I was really zoomed in. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to try some of these. Let's try the little rainbow one because checking that guy out. This is a good thing to do this morning, so I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do today. I know tomorrow Tonic has the launch for their new Sweet Sorbet line, and I can say that because they already put it out in an email. So I have a video for that. Also, tomorrow's craft day, or craft hours, should I say, on HSN, and I don't think I'm going to have a video for that, but I'll try to remind you guys if and when whatever launches. Okay, so that's what I was curious. How big is this? So this paper is 5.5 inches because I just didn't know what to cut, by 4 1/4. So this is a little bit smaller than that. So if you were to mat your card to be, I believe, 5 inches, I think that would work very well. 5 inches, or use it on the other side, right? On the 4 1/4 inch side. Which is maybe what I want to do, but it's not going to fit through the marquee. So you could always do that. I'm just going to put it on this side and then see what happens. So let's do it that way. Usually for a big piece of paper, I like to use a newer cutting folder. Oh, it's right on top. I was like, I know I used one recently. So I'll turn this around. I haven't. It's going to be right on the edge. Try that out. And then I'll run it down the other side. Possibly. Maybe not. Oh yeah, it's so cute. Sorry, I started talking gibberish. Here we go. Aww. Now again, if you want to cut down your paper, and that's how you have your mat, but if not, you can line it up. I am the worst at doing this whenever you want to continue something, because on this side, it's hard to tell where that ends. So like I had it right on the edge. I would just put it on there, tape it, and run it through some more. But it is a shorter strip, or die, should I say. And then, oh, that's that little metal piece. I want to get out of here. I want to try like this guy. Actually, let's try this big one. Again, it's 5 inches, so 5-inch square card would be perfect for that. Or again, doubling it up a little bit. Aw, that's so cute. Again, I would like to run it up the other side, but since I'm using the marquee, I don't have the space to run it in the other direction. Oh, which reminds me, I got a delivery this weekend. I wasn't expecting so quickly, or expecting really. Tonic was kind enough to send me a tangerine, so maybe I'll do that later today, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Well, tomorrow's a busy day already. Maybe later today. It was really sweet of them. Actually, I helped them with a project, kind of. And so they offered to send me a tangerine as a thank you, so that was really sweet. Really nice. It's kind of interesting when companies ask your opinion on something, because I'm like, this is why I play with this stuff. I don't design this stuff. Like, it's not my business. It makes me kind of nervous, you know. But that's okay. So they were real sweet. They're like, oh, thank you for your input, and as a thank you, they like to send me the tangerine. So that was really sweet. Check that out. Aw, that is really, really cute. Okay, and let's try this guy. one of these little separate ones. And we'll see how that looks. It cuts really well, obviously, as you can see. That's why a lot of times when people, you know, we talk about companies and it's like, oh, you know, it's so great, or their dies cut so well. I haven't really met a die that doesn't cut so well, but sometimes it happens. I'm just going to take a piece off of this paper. I think once or twice I've gotten a die that had a dead spot, where it just like would not cut for, you know, any reason in that same spot. So that does happen. Very seldomly. Honestly, I think I just said what I said, and look at this one. It's a little bit, there we go. Just had to really get in there. Doop, doop, doop. There we go. Very pretty. And then you can style it up however you want, put it in the corners or however you want to do that, or maybe you can cut it out from your paper and leave that design in the background. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Mayra, for sending all these items. Good luck, everyone. Again, I will close on the 25th, draw 2 names on the 26th, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll be back hopefully later today, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.